Having curious USB cables is a must for audiophiles that works for fluidity, flow, and musical engagement. Its audibility and improved performance produce a high-quality open sound that is never too bright. Most importantly, it sounds naturally soft, rich, and very realistic. So, buy it and enjoy music sounds with a fuller tone, deeper space, and more decay retrieval. Thinking where to get it? JAGUARaudio.com is your one-stop destination. For details about this cable and its other specifications, browse JAGUARaudio.com. Or simply make a call at 844-462-8346 and discuss. And enjoy an outstanding music experience like never before.